Today's video brought to you by Unity Raceway here in Maine. The raceway ended up flooding. It is frozen with a foot thick of ice right now. We got a personal invite from the owner to come up and show him what an ice racing lawn tractor will do. We're going to get out there with the John Deere first, and then we're going to get the Sears out there just to see if that thing will hold a line. Here we go. As you can clearly see there, me and the new set of front tires are getting to know each other at this point. We're going to take a couple of laps that are a little bit on the slower side in order to get used to these, and then we'll ramp it up to the 30+ miles per hour that we really should be doing. Now, if you don't like this particular camera angle, there are two other cameras on the sidelines, and I will produce a video from those in the future.
Going left.
No, that was me. I threw my weight wrong.
Yeah.
I came in on it and I got my weight into it wrong, and that's what I was telling you about, is once you get those side loops rigged, you're along for the ride. You're not coming out of it.
It's awesome, dude.
So the moment you get it trigged off to one side, you literally have to learn to throw your leg weight the opposite direction, because that's the heaviest part of your body. You can get out of it. So you throw your leg weight and hope to hell that you catch it before it hits about here. Because once you hit there, you're committed. You're landing.
Friggin' neat, dude.
Oh.
That's awesome.
Yeah, she's not running right, but she's doing okay. She's running really, really lean for some reason. I gotta figure out why she's leaning out. That's why it's doing that weird pop noise.
Yeah.
Every time I come off the throttle. That's the carburetor leaning out and backfiring because it goes a couple of cycles before it has enough fuel to fire again.